Welcome to Manjula Devi Murugation Software Training Center. In this tutorial video, we are going to see how to add levels and grids. Okay, just I open my Revit. Okay, what is meant by levels? Okay, levels. That is elevation is here we are called as levels. Okay, already we have seen that the elevation and elevation. Just see, these are all called elevations. Elevation 1, elevation 2, default elevation will be there. Okay, so if you want, we can add the elevation in two methods. Let us see how. Before that, let us see what is meant by elevation. By default, we see elevation as a 0. That is, while the measuring elevation levels, we will measure from ground level. Actually, if in big projects, everything they will measure from sea level. Okay, so because while using while doing surveys, this sea level is important for them, so they will put instead of 0 0, this is level 1 0 0. Instead of that, they will put as a sea level. Okay, what the sea level is there from sea, that is altitude, they will put that. So then only they while doing surveys, it will be easy for them. Okay, so for adding levels, go for architectural tab. In that, datum will be there. In that, level is there. Okay, once again, datum. What is meant by datum? Datum is a imaginary point or line which does not exist, but if you are fixing a datum line or point, you cannot move that. A good example is longitude, latitude. Okay, we see tell it in degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degree. Is there any real lines or there in real life in world? Is there any lines? No lines, but we are imaginally drawn, but we cannot change the line. That are all called datum. Okay, so select level. Okay, just if you want, you can measure. See, I am getting a temporary dimension, so just I want to add to 10 feet from left to right. Okay, like this you can add, or if you give offset 10 feet. Okay, so if I draw line, what happened? Where I am drawing line, from there you will get 10 feet, but that is not advisable. Okay, that thing we can use in different situations. And another one is pick lines. Okay, pick line is easy to, if you are already having a line, using pick line you can easily draw. Okay, see, actually I given 10 feet, just I click here. So from here I am picking a line, from there it takes 10 feet. Okay, if I put 0 feet, what will happen? It will create level on the same line. Once I am adding here, automatically it will get added here in floor plan and elevation. Off. Okay, 1 minute. Once again, I need to add one level for parapet. Just I give 5 feet. Okay, so now I have already given the levels. Now I want to rename it. Okay, so level 1. So I'll put 0 0 0 1 or 0 1 ground floor. It will ask you, would you like to rename corresponding views? If you click yes, automatically it will change to here. Okay, why I am putting 0 1 0 2 0 3? I will tell you later. 0 2, this is first floor level. 0 3, second floor level. 0 4, third floor. 0 05 roof, and this is 06 parapet wall. Okay, if I didn't put 01, 02, 03, what will happen? In floor plan, it will arrange in ascending order, okay, alphabetical ascending order. So what will happen? First floor will come first, then second floor, ground floor, like that. It will automatically, okay, change into ascending order. To avoid that only we are putting numbers 01, 02 means now this thing will be happen. Okay, this is called levels. So you can add as you like, how many levels you want you can add. Now I want below one level. Okay, just I will add a level. Okay, so just pick a tool. Okay, so I put -10. So -10. Okay, actually see what happened. It says GG. Why it says GG? Actually from here only I put offset. Okay, G and GF after F it takes GG. That's why it's taking as a GG. Okay, like that you can add levels. If I want to add grids, so I go for floor plan. Okay, here only I am going to add grids. Okay, so grid 1, grid 2, grid 3, like that I am going to add. For this also same, like if you want an arc you can draw or use pick tool. Same, first I am going for 10 feet, then I want 20 feet. Okay, what is the purpose of grid lines? Grid line also measure from origin. Okay, so actually if you measure any walls or everything, basically they will measure using grid lines only. Okay, all dimensions will be based on the grid lines. Based on this grid line dimension only, they will mark in the ground. Okay, for example, from my origin is here, from here this is some 10 feet or 20 feet. Okay, real time coordinates they will give. North this much distance, south this much, east this much distance they will give. So based on that they will mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can draw in x-y direction. Okay, but I told you that's the origin. Okay, where is the real time origin? I'll tell you in next session how to check the real time origin. Okay, regarding the coordinate system, actually we will term it as a coordinate system. I'll tell you how to change the coordinate system, or I'll mark the coordinate system. Okay, so this way we are going to add our grid lines. Okay, okay, thank you very much. In next session we will see other tutorials. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share our videos.